Alright, y'all, so 13 hours later, we're here in Beijing. Trying to get this internet set up. Bro, we're like slow as shit. I thought we would be like quick with getting off. No. That was the fastest deplane I've ever witnessed. Like, they was off that plane in 5 minutes. Like, alright, open them doors, get out.
Yep.
Get out!
Everybody had their bags
Everybody had
on.
their shit together. It wasn't none of that. In anybody's way, getting off the plane. Ooh, child, I'm liking this experience already. Just get out the way. Do you. So, guess we can't get in any trouble while we're here. Fingerprints already on file. We've been in here for 5 minutes.
Is it even recording?
Yeah. Look at this. No line. My kind of shit. My kind of stuff, y'all. Sliding though. She's so rude, don't you see? Like, I'm recording and she wanna take pictures? That's rude. Anyway, the guy looked me up and down about the picture in here. Yeah, I look very different from my passport picture than I do now. Like, I look like a child in this picture. But he was like, oh, whatever. But that was like, was it faster? No, I think this is. Which one was faster? This one or UK for London?
Oh no, this one.
This one, right?
UK was a long line, remember?
But the line was long, but I felt like they were moving though.
They were, because
This one didn't even have a line. But I know people got off the flight with us.
They're way more efficient than us.
I'd give them that over anything. So yeah. Now we're gonna wait for this train, pick up our bags, hopefully drop our bags off to
The
Airbnb, and then get out of there ASAP.
Let's
Cool.
hope so.
Alright, update. So, we ain't been in China for more than, what time is it now? Oh shoot, we've been here for like 2 hours, but we ain't been in here for more than an hour before we lost something. One, that efficient and rushing thing is real. Two, going in circles at this point. Bro, we so lost. So lost, so confused. Like, completely lost and confused. Like, see the signs, Airport Express this way, Airport Express up and back. All right, 40 minutes later, made it off our train. Now we just gotta figure out how to exit. Okay. So we got about a 13-minute walk after a 40-minute train ride to get to our Airbnb stop. And yeah, so probably not gonna do much vlogging during this walk because need to pay attention and be alert. So yeah, there's that. Ooh, shit. Alright, so just checking into our Airbnb, first night in Beijing. Few thoughts. The people have no patience for us. And that may be a very American thing for us to expect people to have patience. But I feel like I have patience for, you know, people who are struggling as far as like navigating and stuff. So that's that on that. But we're about to head to the Olympic Park. Olympic Park right now. Our schedule got thrown off a little bit, so we made some adjustments for tomorrow to include the stuff we missed today. Oh, it's a little corner store right here. Oh. So we will need like to buy something. Ooh. But yeah, so it is freezing. Not nippy, freezing. It's like, what did it say? The low was 45 degrees. Yeah. I ain't want fall to come this early. And then we got to use this key card thing to get in and out. And the lady is just, that was a whole incident when we first got in. This lady was like such a B word to get in and out. So yeah, left, I'm assuming. Yes. Oh, this is a dark alley, honey. You sure this thing safe? Okay, it's just a dark alley. Then it'll take me. But yeah, so I gotta get this arm up and at him because this camera gear is heavy. It's not like that when I was holding the phone earlier and talking to y'all. So we'll see. We'll see what the first night. The first night is always interesting for us when we travel to different places. So yeah. He gave us 3.
I guess you gotta add $1 transfer.
I don't know. So we made it through the subway station. We got caught up a little bit in getting out because we didn't pay enough money. So it like kept ringing wrong and we didn't know what to do. And of course, nobody speaks English. So after like 5 minutes of sitting there, somebody finally helped us out. Freezing, baby girl?
Yes. Weather.com lied.
It's cold as shit out here. Oh. Yeah, it is like freezing right now. And try to take some photos really quickly. Don't know about time lapse, how I usually do it in previous vlogs, but I will like bring some photos along in here, but it probably won't be the time lapse of how we got the shot. But Jesus, because it's cold, and I don't feel like watching this camera while we try to get these photos and do all this extra stuff. Yeah. You gotta stay on this side. All right, so wrapped up out here. We're done. It's cold. We got to call it a night on the National Olympic Park, Beijing Olympic Park, and now we're gonna go get food because it's time. I don't think we ate all day after getting off the plane, so it's definitely time to go get something to eat. We're gonna go to, I'm gonna put the name here because I'm gonna butcher it, and I don't want to butcher it. To get food, it's like a street cart food. It's like street cart food, so wish me luck eating there. That's it? That's it. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. So we found it after a bit of walking and a few subway transfers later. It's still pretty crowded, so we're gonna do our best to experience what is being offered. You're gonna try something? You're gonna try the scorpion thing?
No. I knew you were gonna set me up for that. I'm not doing that.
You gotta drink some alcohol like the lady on the thing said.
But I'm not doing scorpion.
She gonna eat the scorpion. I'm gonna get it for y'all on camera. All right, cool. What it tastes like?
I don't know. It's hard.
What is it?
It's sugar.
You think?
Yeah.
Let me see. Move that. Can't see whatever. Gotta eat chicken. It should be right. It was right on you. It's too cold. We didn't got asked to take pictures twice so far. And people are staring. They've never seen one of me before.
Nope.
I refuse to believe that. I just saw a black guy walk through here 3 minutes ago. I mean, he didn't have dreads or beard, but he walked through here. All right, y'all. So finally making it back to our Airbnb. It is 10:30. Oop, bam! Look at my internal clock. Still working. It's 10:30, and it's 10:30, and we is dog shit tired. Like tired. Feet hurt. Body ache. I just want to shower. Eat this KFC. I know, KFC, right? And go to bed. The rest of the stuff was a little too risky for me this early in the game. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this KFC, shower, and then call it a night. Gotta be up really, really early in the morning to go see the Great Wall of China and catch up on the stuff the two things we missed. So we missed the Temple of Heaven and we missed the Forbidden City. So we're gonna try to do all of that tomorrow, which seems doable. But we'll see. You will see. So we're gonna sign this off right here. Good night. Well, I guess I signed that off, so good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, National Stadium have VIP night show tonight. The tickets 130 yuan each. And we have discount tickets to soldiers.